Are we recording yet?
Yeah. There.
Okay. Hello, folks. It's me, George Welch, back here with another fantastic video. And today, followers, we are going to learn how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First off, you're gonna need peanut butter, plate, jam, and bread. Now, follow my lead. Step 1: remove the cover from the peanut butter. There. Step 2: take the butter knife. Take the peanut butter and spread it out on the bread, just like so. Now this might take a little bit, but if it gets messy with the kids, you should always have an adult to help you with it. So kids, don't try this at home, if you don't know how. Okay, now you're gonna take the peanut butter and spread it out on both pieces. Next, when you're done with the peanut butter, you are going to open the jam. And you're going to take the jam and spread it out on here. Here. Oh yeah, look at that nice, tangy, pure raspberry jam. And don't it look good, viewers? Now, you're going to take the jam and you're going to spread it on both pieces. This is like what I am doing. Now, it's always best if you're working in safe kitchen places, because it is very important if you don't know what you're doing. So get a family member or mother to help you with it. Okay, we are done with the jam. And next, we are going to place the jam and the ham into breads like that. Next, when you're done, put the peanut butter cover back on the peanut butter. There, put the cover back on the jam, put them away. Put the bread on your plate. Use your knife to cut it just like so. And voila! Now, you've made a perfectly good peanut butter jelly sandwich. I hope this has been interesting to all. Also, if this video gets more likes, we'll see it come to life. So make sure to love, share, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next video.